All right, so today I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn old pallets into a compost bin. Now I happen to have 3 old pallets laying around from a DIY paver walkway I created last year, and we have a video to that we will link to. Turned out really great, and the benefit of that was I've got these these pallets laying around, and my wife's been wanting me to put in a compost bin, so it worked out perfectly that I could create that. So I'm in the process of measuring right now. I've got 3 pallets. I've got 4 4x4s. I think it's going to be pretty easy to bring it together, and I'll show you exactly what I do. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is dig your holes for your 4x4s, and then you just basically let the width of the pallet dictate how wide they are. There's, at least on mine, overlap on the top layer of board, so I'm just flushing up the overlap to the what will be the inside of the compost bin with the boards, and so that's set up pretty nice. And then I'll do the exact same thing with the back, so I'll set the width on the opposite side using the back pallet and put the 4x4 in there, and then lay the 4x4 in front, and then I'm just going to set some screws in there, and the main construction will be done at that point. So it comes together pretty fast when you have pallets. If you don't have pallets, don't worry. What you can do is just use the basics from the pallet, the measurements from the pallet. So basically there's 5 boards on here that are 4 foot wide, and it's about 3.5 foot tall, and so that basically will set the dimensions of your compost bin. You can make it as wide or as tall as you want, but the pallets just help because they give you just that set structure that you can basically just screw into place. Optionally, you can put doors on the front, or like put slots on the 4x4 so that you can drop planks of wood in there to build up the front. That's an option. I will probably end up doing that at some point because I have dogs, but today I wanted to at least get the main piece done, and if you don't have dogs or anything else, this is all you need. So once you get it set and you know it's going to work the way you want it, then just pre-drill your holes. I'm dealing with old pallets, so I don't want to split wood. You're not going to need a whole lot of screws. I think I've got 2 here, 2 here, 2 in the back on each one, and then 2 on each side. So I mean, that's all you're really going to need. Well, that's all there is to it. Already got a little compost in there. It was completely free for me. If you do have to buy lumber, then you will have that cost, but super low cost, super easy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out some more of our videos. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Good job. High five.